Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an Eport card reader. First, familiarize yourself with all the parts in your kit, which typically include the card reader, a telemeter, and antennas. It is crucial to power down your machine completely before beginning any installation steps to ensure safety. Also, have your tools ready, such as a Phillips head screwdriver, an 11 32nd-inch nut driver, and possibly a drill for mounting. Next, let's connect the hardware. Securely mount the card reader to your machine's front panel, often using 4 screws or a mounting plate. Then, connect the card reader's cable to the telemeter, ensuring a firm connection. Finally, attach the 2 antennas to the telemeter. For optimal signal strength, place these antennas on a metal surface inside or on top of the machine, maintaining a minimum distance of 6 inches between them. Now, let's move to software and network configuration. Connect the telemeter's MDB cable to the vending machine's MDB bus. This is vital for communication between the reader and the machine. If your system supports it, plug the DEX cable into the DEX port for remote data reporting. Before powering up, always confirm that your machine's firmware is updated and compatible with the Eport reader to prevent operational issues. For the final steps, power on your machine, and allow the Eport reader to fully initialize. This process usually takes a few moments. It is highly recommended to perform an RSSI test to ensure strong cellular signal strength, which is critical for processing transactions. Finally, test the card reader using a technician card or a regular payment card to verify that it is accepting payments correctly and communicating with the system as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.